4, 3, 2, 1.
Hey,
Action.
Stop. Hey, this is Alice. Downsizing makes sense. This is my version of what Larry did for day 11, and this is day 10. Crunch time, still cleaning out the house before the close. And back in this room, you can see that the furniture is now gone that we had in here. We are going to do more videos on tips on how to downsize. And one of the tips is don't leave it until you're 10 days left, because we just sold this blonde mahogany solid wood, Dunbar furniture for super cheap. It was a little tough, but look around the room. Over on these shelves, I'm organizing all the Star Wars books that I still have to get rid of, Star Wars magazines, Legos. And if you look down here again, another tip, if you know you're gonna sell stuff, don't put it in storage. Leave it in the house, because that'll force you to deal with it. Because these are leather-bound antique books from 1914, and I have it on Facebook Marketplace for like super cheap. And again, these are 1893. This is something, if you did it right, you'd find the right store, you know, an antique shop, something like that. And again, see, these are more Legos that we're trying to get organized. I have all these like boogie boards and stuff on Facebook Marketplace. Larry, thank you very much, went in the attic and he got my Thanksgiving bin and my 4th of July bin that I still need to go through that I'm going to sell on Marketplace. And then follow me outside. And this is just a small amount of Christmas. Okay, I had a problem. I had 12 bins of Christmas. I decorated every Christmas, and this is what's left of it. And this is all on Marketplace right now. And if you look in the backyard, it's a good thing we have our own fire pit, because we are burning. We're waiting until it's a big pile. That's not a big pile. We've had bigger piles. And we have someone, a neighbor, coming by to get some of the outdoor stuff. And then one more look. Hi, Scrappy Dappy, what's going on? What's going on, Scrappy? What's going on? What's going on? It's crazy, isn't it, guys? What's going on? The office. Larry's going through files and we're burning that stuff. And you can see he still hasn't touched his downsizing equipment here. He hasn't dealt with that. But yes, so don't save everything. Don't be like us. Don't wait and put it in storage and then pull it out of storage to deal with it. Deal with it today. That is my big message, because you can't take it with you, so you're going to have to downsize sooner or later. So downsize every single day, please. Your kids will appreciate it, or whoever has to deal with this at the end. And that is day 10. Thank you for watching.
And remember.
Oh, thank you, Director Larry. And remember, downsizing does make sense.